So after I graduated from law school, I got my first legal job as a lawyer. I was making $40,000 a year, but I had a lot of experience because I worked and went to law school full time. So I'd already worked at a bankruptcy firm. The only thing that had changed was I got my law degree and I passed the bar exam. I was teaching other lawyers there things about tax law because I had worked in a low income taxpayer clinic that they were unaware of, but also really impacted bankruptcy cases. And I remember I went to HR and I was like, I didn't realize that every other person that had 3 federal courtrooms was being paid $100,000. They're coming to me asking me questions about how to treat this tax or how to do this. And I was like, if they're asking me questions, I would also like to be paid $100,000. And they were like, Alyssa, we're not here to hire the best and the brightest. We're here to fill holes. I was like, oh, okay. It's a mill. I get it. You just need bodies. That's terrible, A, for clients. But B, if that is how you really feel, I'm going to go somewhere else. So then I went to another tax controversy firm. They hired me there. They were letting me file my own bankruptcy cases and then also do tax work. So I worked there for a little bit. And this person obviously gave me a good start in my career because they gave me a lot of files and it was also like a lot of volume, right? So the more cases you do, the better you get at the work. But then I started realizing, oh, I don't ask the owner of this firm a lot of questions, right? I just do the work. I'm not saying, hey, how do I resolve this case? I was just resolving the work. And then other lawyers at that firm were coming to me and asking me how to do their work. And I started supervising their work. So again, I went to him, I was like, hey, I think I need to get paid more money because I'm working my own cases, but I'm also training a bunch of younger lawyers how to do their cases. And, it doesn't take like a rocket scientist to figure out math. Okay, I've got 150 cases. Each case is valued at this, and I'm getting paid X, right? Immediately, I was like, oh, I could have like 10 cases and make the same amount of money. I could do 10 cases. All I need to do is get 10 cases, right? So I remember I called my parents and I was like, I'm going to start my own law firm. And guys, if you want to resolve your back taxes without hiring costly tax professionals, check out my workshop where I can teach you how. All you have to do is give me a follow, drop Tax Rescue below, click the link in my bio and click Tax Rescue 101, and I'll see you guys there.